Power. Adrenaline. Action. And more at Machinemarvels. Trees have been an essential part of human civilization for centuries. They provide us with oxygen, stabilize ecosystems, and serve as a fundamental resource for countless industries. From ancient times, humans have relied on trees for shelter, tools, fuel, and even artistic expression. However, as demand for wood has grown, so has the need for more efficient harvesting methods. This is where modern tree harvesting machines come into play, revolutionizing the way we collect and process wood while ensuring sustainability and efficiency in forestry practices. In the past, tree harvesting was a labor-intensive and time-consuming task that required extensive manpower. Workers used axes and saws, often taking hours or even days to fell a single tree. Today, advanced tree harvesting machines have transformed this process, significantly increasing productivity. These machines are designed to quickly and efficiently cut, delimb, and transport logs with minimal effort, reducing human labor and improving safety. Equipped with precision controls and automation, they ensure that trees are harvested swiftly while minimizing damage to the surrounding environment. Their efficiency allows industries to meet growing wood demands while reducing waste and optimizing resource utilization. Modern tree harvesting machines use cutting-edge technology to maximize efficiency and precision. They are equipped with sharp saw blades, powerful hydraulic arms, and advanced computerized systems that analyze trees before cutting. Some models feature AI-driven sensors that assess tree health, size, and ideal harvesting conditions, ensuring that only the most suitable trees are cut. Once a tree is selected, the machine rapidly cuts it down, removes branches, and sections it into logs of precise lengths. The entire process, which once took hours with traditional methods, is now completed in a matter of minutes. This not only improves efficiency, but also reduces unnecessary tree loss, contributing to sustainable forestry management. After being harvested, trees are transformed into a wide range of products that play an integral role in our daily lives. Wood is an incredibly versatile material used for construction, furniture, paper, and even alternative energy sources like biofuel. From the homes we live in to the books we read, wood is present in nearly every aspect of modern life. Its flexibility, durability, and aesthetic appeal make it a preferred material for architects, designers, and engineers worldwide. As technological advancements continue, the number of ways wood can be used expands, further increasing its importance in our society. One of the most significant uses of harvested wood is in construction. Wood has been a fundamental building material for centuries, used to create houses, bridges, and commercial structures. Its strength, natural insulation properties, and adaptability make it an excellent choice for both traditional and modern architecture. Wooden buildings not only offer durability, but also provide a sustainable alternative to steel and concrete. Additionally, innovations in engineered wood products, such as cross-laminated timber, CLT, are opening new possibilities for eco-friendly skyscrapers and large-scale structures. As urbanization continues to expand, the demand for wood in construction remains strong, highlighting its importance in shaping our built environment. Wooden furniture has long been valued for its durability, beauty, and functionality. From simple chairs to intricately designed cabinets, wood has been the material of choice for craftsmen throughout history. Today, wooden furniture remains a staple in homes and offices due to its timeless appeal and long-lasting nature. Unlike plastic or metal furniture, wooden pieces often improve with age, gaining character and richness over time. Additionally, responsibly sourced wooden furniture contributes to sustainability efforts, as wood is a renewable resource when managed properly. Many furniture manufacturers are now focusing on using reclaimed or sustainably harvested wood, reducing their environmental impact while delivering high-quality products. Paper is one of the most widespread products derived from trees. It plays an essential role in education, business, communication, and packaging. With billions of sheets produced each year, paper remains a fundamental tool in everyday life. However, the paper industry has also faced criticism for contributing to deforestation and environmental degradation. Fortunately, advancements in recycling technology and responsible forestry practices have significantly reduced the negative impact of paper production. Many paper manufacturers now use recycled fibers and implement sustainable sourcing methods to minimize tree loss. As digital alternatives continue to grow, paper consumption patterns are changing, but its importance in modern society remains undeniable. Beyond construction and furniture, wood is used to create a variety of tools and household items that enhance our daily lives. From kitchen utensils and cutting boards to flooring and decorative pieces, Wood provides durability and aesthetic charm. Musical instruments such as guitars, violins, and pianos rely on wood for their unique acoustic properties, demonstrating its importance in the arts. Wooden sports equipment, like baseball bats and hockey sticks, showcases wood's strength and versatility. Even in an age dominated by synthetic materials, wood continues to be an essential component of countless everyday products, proving its timeless value. Wood has historically played a significant role in transportation, from wooden carts and horse-drawn wagons to the construction of early boats and ships. Today, while metal and composite materials dominate the transportation industry, wood remains relevant in specific applications. Many luxury car interiors feature elegant wooden panels, adding warmth and sophistication to vehicle designs. In the railway industry, wooden sleepers are still used to support tracks in various parts of the world. Additionally, sustainable wood-based composites are being explored as lightweight alternatives in automotive and aerospace engineering, highlighting the ongoing innovation in wood utilization. As global demand for wood products continues to rise, sustainable forestry practices are more critical than ever. Responsible tree harvesting ensures that forests remain healthy and productive for future generations. Many forestry companies follow strict guidelines for replanting trees, maintaining biodiversity, and reducing environmental impact. Technological advancements, including AI-driven forestry management and precision harvesting, are helping to optimize wood production while minimizing waste. The future of the industry lies in balancing economic growth with environmental responsibility, ensuring that wood remains a sustainable and essential resource for years to come. Through innovation and conservation efforts, we can continue to enjoy the countless benefits that trees provide while preserving our forests for future generations. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the benefits of tree harvesting machines and the vital role of wood products in our daily lives. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more content on forestry, sustainability, and industry innovations. Your support helps us bring you more valuable insights and updates. See you in the next video.